How to replace videos from Canva design or templates. So I'm going to show you two methods that you can use as per your requirements. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So let me search one Canva templates. So video templates. So this is the first method if you are using video templates like this. Okay, this is a video templates. Let me open it. Let me customize it. So this is my video canvas, and here you can see the layers. Okay, if you don't find that layers, just click on that pages and you can see the all layers. So now we have, let me play this. Okay, we have three videos on this template. So this first, second and third. Okay, so how we can replace it? So first select the video which you want to replace, right click on it and click on detach video, then video will be detached. Now select that and delete it. Okay, now come to the upload, and you can upload your own video. If you have own video on your computer, then just go to the upload file, then video will be uploads. Now I have already video uploaded here. Okay, when you upload your videos, your video will be, you can, the Canva will be show here, or you can go here, you can see all video file which you upload before. Okay, so now just select the one video here, select that and drag on this that frame. Okay, now double click on it, and here you can make that you can drag left, right, or top and bottom to show your video part like this. I want to show that face, so I just select that face area only and just click outside, then this face area will be visible. Now let me play.
Hey, quick Canva.
Okay, so in this video I have audio also. I can also extract the audio like this. So audio will be extract. Now I can delete that audio. Okay, now we have only video on this frame, we don't have audio. Okay, same you can do to other video frame like this. We have another two videos. You need to just select that video, right click on it and detach the video first, then delete that video and put here another video. You can also search video in Chrome, go to the elements, go to the videos, and here you can search for videos like meditation video, and here we have some videos. So I just choose this and put here, double click on it and just customize the area, and just now we have the second video with this frame. Okay, so now let me show you the another method, second method. If you have only video, like let me create one video. Okay, so let me go in video. Okay, so I just take canvas for video and I just put one video here. Okay, just put this video. So I have this video, and let me put one text. Okay, so this is my video, this is my text. So I need to maximize size of this. Okay, time length, so it will be cover all video timeline. Okay, now you can see this is my text, this is my video. Now if you have frame or a template like this, and if you want to change your video, just select that video and you can delete it, or go to the another video, just search in elements, or you can upload your own video from here. Go to the upload, select your video from your computer, then you can show your video here. Your Canva will show your video here. Now select that video and drag here on that video part. Okay, this video only 12 seconds, so I can't maximize it. The time is only 11.9 seconds, so I can now go. You can also minimize that text timeline, adjust with the video only. Now you can see video has been changed. We have audio on this video, so you can extract the audio from that video. So this is my audio, you can delete it. Okay, like this, and now we have only video. Okay, and the text. Okay, so that is two method you can follow. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.